mà tiếp ngay ở puli hay này hay bagi sendang bayo abreu em ki em news nam tam ya kitu bosong morway ko mamia
wat mudur li min em temian mea nam kum ka ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea
mẹ kertang complete tempat jing em Jumai incomplete
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority ringkat ka jiatre langbat ka District Disaster Management Authority lembat ka tanan Revenue and Disaster Management kentubru ka National Disaster Management Authority ha ka khandai terik urempang aracara penrio kila pelong ya ka jinga Hikai syaki pajba kumno ban a Jingïarap ya ki weipat ha bawan kensan ki link shop na ki bor kamariang lani ha baja ka jingkinyo u Jumai u bujur Ha kani kajing Hikai ka state level mock exercise on earthquake disaster kapala long ha Shillong airport ka badan ha kashnong umroy ha Ribhoy district la pani ye ki buj Jingïarap Lada Khie ka jingkinyo u Jumai u bajur hadu prapoint r magnitude la ye shimbanta ha kani ka mock drill da ka jingsa khilang u assistant commissioner ka Ribhoy district u ba e marthong ki officer na katanat pulet ki nongtre katanat ka koy ka Khie Kentobru nakatanat Fire and Emergency Services ki nongtre nakabhoy rembong CNRD block ki nongtre ka Shillong airport bat kiwe.
Okay, thank you.
Once we know where are the exits, where are the assembly points. Just request us to observers to give some feedback, then we'll start here in airport, and then we'll go to the health, then fire and rescue. Right person, the first approach to engage the unexpected happens. So once again, on behalf of the entire, that is the kind of feedback we want. That is the feedback we want. departments involved for successfully completing the search and rescue operation here at Police. Here at airport, it's not just exercise we prepare every one of us. As we all know that disaster does not give a notice before coming. It comes unexpectedly, and in those first few minutes of a disaster, if you are confused, then confusion can cost lives. However, if you are prepared, if you are aware, then coordinated efforts can help save and protect those precious lives. So I congratulate every one of you.